Hello everybody. We at Pineapple Willys waiting on our table. Check out the beach. Hopefully we finna get our table down here on this pier. We already hit the, hold your bag up. We already hit the store. You know, we got to buy some t-shirts, magnets, and stuff. So we'll come back, hopefully come back next year. But man, oh man, the economy sure is booming. Look at it. Well, we're waiting on a table. Hopefully it shows up soon. We're going to show you what we're going to eat. There'll be good food here. The only way you get in this place is at lunchtime. You can forget about getting in this place in the afternoon time. There was people lined up out on the street. Cars were lined up for an eighth of a mile out there trying to pull in this place. Man, it's got a good business. We'll show you what we're going to eat in a second. Hello everybody.
Hey.
We're at the Pineapple Willys.
Yum. No wait, I love it.
Yep, didn't wait long. We already
Shopping.
went to the store, bought some stuff. Little beach is what you see when you're eating. Yep, this is the pier that they have. You don't. People on the beach. Yep, there's the blue water. Yep. I would venture to say there must not be much of a coronavirus down here. They are taking precautions though, I will tell you. But they loving the tourism, trying to get the economy going back. They're doing a fine job at it too. Yep. Yep. They're taking pictures. Yep. It is nice. Weather's beautiful outside. And weather today, right now, it is 83 degrees. It is beautiful. Well, we're done eating. Fish was good.
It sure was. Full when you walk it off.
It was good. It was nice. Wasn't too bad. $58 with tip. I had seafood platter. You had the fish basket.
Yeah.
Wasn't bad. That's with the tip and all. Wasn't bad at all. We come down here on the beach. You can come down these steps right here. Come down. We won't spend a lot of time down here because we are taking up some parking places for Pineapple Willys. So decided to come down here and check it out. It's kind of busy. Here you go.
Look at the beach.
There you go. Look. We decided just to walk down here and see what's going on. Yep, there's a pier. It's Pineapple Willys Pier there. I was trying to catch the Air Force fighter jet come flying over and I couldn't get the camera out fast enough. Of course, you know, we do have a good military. Very fast jets, they're hard to get. Hard to catch them. They come out of the Air Force Base just east of Panama City. Let's check it out. Real busy down here. Here, I'll give you a shot. COVID-19. What's that? It's like nothing's ever happened. Panama City Pier right up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yep, busy. Busy down here, ain't it? Taking pictures. Busy down here, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. Wow.
There's people as far as you can see. Beautiful day. Not really that hot. Not really that hot. Not really that hot at all. Come on, go this way. Busy. That's good though. Here's a good view of that pier. Yep, there's a Pineapple Willys bar. Access to it right there. Yep. Yeah, we got all that. Man, and today is Wednesday. Can't you imagine what the weekend's like? Oh yeah. It is looking good. They say middle part of Georgia is kind of cool. We're not really that far away. But it's nice down here. I was hoping one of them fighter jets would come back over, but I don't know. I don't know when they come by, but he was definitely waving to us. He came across this way.
Tyndall Air Force Base.
Yep, he came across, waved, made a big loop, and he came back across and went back towards the Air Force Base. So I don't know if we'll see another one or not. If we do, we'll try to catch it if we can. I guess let's head on back. We'll head on back to the truck.